Hi folks, this is your NWIS Planning Outlook with details into the weekend and beyond. There's a fair amount of dry weather in the forecast for the Highlands. A few showers around locally at times, the greatest risk of these over England and especially Wales. Easterly airflow patterns prevailing. Generally, we're looking at fairly warm temperatures. Slow-moving weather patterns continuing through this week. We have low pressure centred toward the south of the British Isles, a couple of zones of high pressure, one over Scandinavia, one out over the Atlantic, all sort of trapping the pattern in place, so not too much really changing in the overall story through this week ahead. Putting some more day-to-day detail on the map then, and this is Wednesday's chart. Low pressure is away to the southwest. A weakening front draped from western Scotland through northern England, producing a zone of cloud and some patchy drizzle around in the morning, not really amounting to a great deal for most of the Highlands. The low cloud tending to thin and break. Some of it may cling on across more southeastern parts of the Highlands, but some sunshine breaking through for many places and feeling quite warm. Quite a gusty east-southeasterly wind, though, around the Cairngorms in particular, and that southeasterly breeze will be strong across Wales as well. Locally, some heavy showers may just form around the Peak District, possibly North Wales by the afternoon, a few scattered showers for South Wales as well. That weak frontal zone hasn't gone very far on Thursday, and it's still a story of some cloud and some patchy drizzly rain focused around Pennine areas. Again, the risk of an odd heavier shower in the mix, and a local shower can't be ruled out across the Highlands as well, but many places staying dry. Still that easterly breeze coming in with low cloud focused further east, with cloud breaks and sunshine best toward the west in the Highlands. Some sunnier breaks in Wales too, but one or two heavier showers could form, especially in the south in the afternoon. Not too much changing on Friday. Low pressure is still toward the south. Easterly breezes prevailing. A good deal of dry and sunny weather across Scotland. Some low cloud again across more central eastern parts, particularly in the morning. Some coastal ha around those North Sea coasts. That may just linger around the borders, for example. Chance of an isolated afternoon shower across inland parts of west and northwestern Scotland, but many places will avoid these. Risk of a few showers around across England and Wales. Greatest risk is across mid and south Wales. Here they could be heavy and thundery in the later part of the afternoon. Low cloud on the Pennines. Low cloud may be across much of Wales as well, lifting only slowly during the daytime. Pressure is fairly high across northern regions into the weekend. Low pressure is over France. We've got some mist and fog patches around early in the day, and some coastal fog may persist across eastern Scotland again. Inland mostly clearing, many of the mountains free of cloud, with some sunshine and feeling pleasantly warm, and that chance again of an isolated shower by the afternoon. Greatest risk of showers more focused towards Wales and the southern half of the Pennines. Again, the odd heavier shower here can't be ruled out. Wind mostly light and feeling pleasant in the sun. Confidence becomes lower the further we go forwards, but pressure is staying fairly high toward the north, low across Europe. So once more, it's that east or northeasterly drift with that risk of a few scattered showers, but many places may well avoid these, and there's a good amount of dry weather in the forecast. Confidence of detail in the forecast becomes quite low next week as we see slow-moving weather patterns continue. There's some patterns in there though, and high pressure is expected to be around Scandinavia. Low pressure is expected to be to the west of us. You can see how there's a troughing shape in the contours all the way from Iceland toward the west of Portugal. The main focus of low pressure looks to be toward the southwest of the British Isles, again circulating slowly here. The air is likely to be coming in from the east or the southeast, so maintaining relatively warm patterns. West and northwest Scotland probably faring the best once more for temperatures and the sunniest conditions. Eastern regions may draw in some low cloud at times. There's the risk of a few showers at times during the week ahead as well. The greatest risk is more likely across Wales, nearer to lower pressure. Very uncertain, but just toward the end of the month, the signals suggest that high pressure is further across central and southern parts of Europe, and the pressure pattern around our part of the world is more average, which could just mean we drift back into a weak westerly type of airflow, so maybe just some weak weather systems coming in off the Atlantic to give maybe some more changeable conditions, especially in those western regions by that time. Hopefully that gives you some useful insights. All your local details for 3 days ahead, as always, on our website. That is your planning outlook. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.